Alright, what's up, Algebra 1? So this video is all about adding and subtracting rational numbers. Now, unless you're really comfortable with this, when you're adding and subtracting rational numbers, I want you to use a number line. Alright? If I had $1 for every student that, messed these kinds of problems up because of a negative or something, man, I probably wouldn't be in teaching or something. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But again, just please, just use the number line. Alright? Make sure you get this problem 100% correct. Use the number line. So here we go. You guys know all about the number line, right? The positive means that you're going to the right. The negative means that you're going to the left. Now, when you're dealing with adding and subtracting these rational numbers, that first number is your starting number. So this number right here is a 5, and you know that if a number does not have a sign in front of it, there is a positive there. So you have a positive 5 now. That's where you're going to start. So I'm going to find positive 5 on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, positive 5. Now look at the second number. The second number is a negative 7. Alright, that tells me that I have to move to the left because the negative tells me that I need to move to the left. Alright, I'm moving to the left 7 units. 7 units to the left. Alright, starting from the positive 5. So I'm moving 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to the left, and I end up at negative 2. Alright, so negative 2 is going to be my answer. Done. Alright, Algebra 1, so I just want to do one more example with you. This is probably the classic example in adding and subtracting rational numbers. I have a negative 2 minus a negative 4. Now the way you want to read this double negative here is by looking at it as the opposite of a negative. Alright, you want to read this as the opposite of a negative 4. And you guys know that the opposite of a negative 4 is a positive 4. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2. Again, the opposite of a negative is positive 4. So it's going to be negative 2 plus 4. Alright? And then I follow the same exact strategy using the number line. The first number tells me where to start. So I'm starting at negative 2. There's my negative 2. I start at negative 2 and I now have to move 4 units to the right. Right, this is a positive 4. My second number is a positive 4, and I know that the positive sign, alright, tells me that I need to move to the right. So I'm going to start at negative 2, I'm going to move 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There I go, and where do I end up at? I end up at positive 2. So negative 2 plus 4, or excuse me, negative 2 minus negative 4 gives me positive 2.